Hi! In front of me is Realme 9i, and today I would like to show you how you can change the Wood apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar and download your new Wood app. In my case, it will be Opera mini browser. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and click on Home button. Now go into Settings, scroll down and select App Management. Then you need to click on the Wood apps, select one of those sections. I want to change my browser, so I will go with Browser app, tap on the one that you wish to set up, in my case Opera, and simply go back. As you can see, my Wood app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!